In this video, we'll discuss what might be going on if your inductor gets stuck in your material container. It's more common if you've got an adhesive or sealant that cures over time, and that can really get bonded to the container, but you can also get stuck in the container with grease and other materials. If your inductor is stuck in the container and you do have an adhesive type material, you want to review the instructions for handling the material, and you may need to add a vapor barrier such as a solvent or a lubricant around the seals for the inductor. You'll want to check if the pump has a solvent cup around the pump shaft. You want to make sure you have the right amount of solvent and the seals are being lubricated properly. If it has bonded to the pail, you might have a little bit of a fight on your hands. If you do wrestle the pail away from the inductor and you end up damaging anything, give us a call for spare parts. With other materials like grease, you can still get the inductor stuck in the pail, and there are a few things that might cause that. Number one is when you're removing the inductor from the pail, there's an inductor air assist valve. You need to open the valve so that air enters the pail while the inductor is rising. If that doesn't happen, it's basically a vacuum and the inductor is just going to be stuck in the pail. And also you want to make sure that you have the ram pressure regulator set high enough to lift the ram. If your inductor is stuck in the pail and your air inductor assist valve is open and your ram lever is up and your air pressure is high enough, then perhaps a component has failed and you need to look for what might be causing the problem and replace that valve or that component. So those are the main reasons that your inductor might get stuck in the pail or stuck in the drum. If you look for those items and you still can't figure out what the issue is, feel free to give us a call.